Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you friends? I hope you are doing great and I am also doing great. So as you have seen my YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, so today we are going to discuss about how I started my speaking English when I was beginner. So what kind of challenges I faced during my when I started English speaking, and what kind of issues, problems, and kind of challenges used to face when we are beginner to learn uh, English. And this is going to be a very interesting video for you if you want to learn English, if you are going to speak English and learn English in your life. So friends, today I'm going to talk with you how to start speaking English when you don't know actually a single word about English. And so friends, first of all, we have to realize one thing: when we are going to speak English, so we have hesitations. Suppose that there is a person and who wants to speak English, it means fluent English, but he has hesitation, he has a lack of confidence, he's feeling if he's going to speak, so other person what they will think about him, he is speaking wrong and right. So these kind of challenges, these kind of fears he feel in his mind, and always he keeps in his mind. That's why these kind of mistakes, these kind of fears stop him to play and speak more and more in his life. This is the reason I think. Yeah, if you are going to speak English, so nobody can stop you. But if you have decided, no, if somebody will criticize me, somebody will taunting me, so I will not able to speak English. No, doesn't matter, my friend, doesn't matter. If you are confident, if you are eligible, if you want, so nobody can stop you. Only the person you who can stop you. Only if you are clear in your mind, I'm going to speak English, so nobody can stop you. But if you are not clear, you are going to speak, so how can nobody can make you understand you are eligible to speak English. So we need to understand. And second thing is, as I said, for the speaking you need to improve, and you need to identify your strength, you need to identify your speaking power. If you don't identify your capacity, your strength, so how can you observe what kind of strength you have, what kind of talent you have, what kind of knowledge and experience you have? First of all, you have to identify which you have. And how can you identify these? So first of all, do like physical activities, do yoga, do meditation. If you are going to meditation, so you will increase your thinking power. And if you are going to increase your thinking power, so you can think more and more about yourself, about nature, about society, about culture. So you will be able to think more and more. And if you are able to think more and more, so you can identify about yourself. Who are you? Or what is your strength, what is your weak points, what is your strong points? So need to identify yourself. If you are going to search yourself, so I think it will be amazing for you. If you are going to search yourself, this is, I think this is the success. If you have searched yourself, if you have known yourself, so I think according to me it is your success, it is your right way. But suppose that if you are working, if you are have good job, if you are have well settled, but you are not happy, it means you have not identified yourself, you have not searched yourself. You did not find yourself. Who are you? Why did you come in the life? What is your objective in the life? So these kind of things we have to find in our life. What is our objective, why we are living, and what is our responsibilities, duties as a human. So these kind of things play a vital role during to learn anything. Doesn't matter you are going to speak English, you are going to learn English, doesn't matter. In every sector, in every field, you have to search something. After the after the search and after the study, you can be we can say you can be amazing in that particular sector. If you are going to search, you are going to find what kind of challenges, what kind of activities are going to be happening. I have spoke a lot of about this particular topic, and now in my area the rain is being started, so I need to leave from here, otherwise I will be wet completely, and my mobile phone also, so I need to go. So that's all in this video. If you have any query, if you have any question, so you can comment. And if you are getting any education, if you are getting any knowledge, if this video is going to help you, so please share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.